How long does a breast reduction or a breast lift surgery take?
A mastopexy, a breast lift, takes generally about 2 hours or so to do. Breast reductions sometimes have some more tissue that needs to be taken out, and they're generally around 2.5 hours or so.
How old do you have to be to get a breast reduction done?
In general, you need to have completed at least the majority of breast development. So, we typically will see patients as young as 14, but no operations before about 15 for a breast reduction.
Is a breast lift procedure painful?
It's a little bit painful, but we give you some pain medications to relax that pain down for you. Most patients are able to get back to work within about a week, and most are over their discomfort within about 4 or 5 days.
Can a breast reduction be covered by insurance?
Yes, a breast reduction can be covered by insurance if a patient meets certain requirements. It's dependent on the symptoms they have, the duration of those symptoms, how long they've had them, as well as what they've done to alleviate those symptoms on their own. If they've done their homework and really tried to alleviate their pain related to the size of their breasts, oftentimes we can get insurance to cover those procedures.
Will having a breast reduction or a breast lift alter my nipple sensation?
It can. I tell patients that generally everyone's going to get a little change in their sensation. Most will lose a little sensation. Some will actually get a little hypersensitive, and that tends to return by around 2 to 3 months after surgery back to normal and baseline. But about 1% of patients will experience a decrease in sensation that's permanent.
What is the recovery period after having a breast reduction or a breast lift?
That's a good question. Breast reductions actually tend to return to work pretty quickly, generally within about a week. You're able to go back to work or to school. Mastopexies, very similar. Because there's a little less breast volume and there's less baseline pain, they can be a little bit more sensitive to the immediate operation, and it may take them closer to 10 days before they get back to a comfort level of normal.